Hey folks, it's Fred again. Just wanted to give you an update. The storm has hit. It is 5:45 now. It's about 2 hours since I took the video last, and it's really kicked in pretty good. And just to let you know, things are deteriorating pretty quick here. They're still expecting lots and lots of snow. We're still under a blizzard warning until tomorrow. And, obviously, it's a good time to stay on the roads. I won't make this too long. I want to give you plenty of little updates. But, wow, it really is coming down now. It really hasn't picked up too bad. Just give you a perspective of just in the last 2 hours, it's really moved in. And Massachusetts has put everybody on a state of emergency. You know, they don't want people on the roads. We are getting hit. So, I'll be back with you in a couple more hours. And, you know, stay warm, folks.